Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G73 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. From here, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola and click on Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, you need to tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Motorola. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to select your files. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected. You can also just tap on the chosen ones, in my case this one photo, and select Send as well. Over here, click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to input key on an Android. Then tap on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, you need to tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers from Motorola, and then connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!